Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox account is already linked with another account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to open up browser. Then you just need to go to roblox.com/support, right? And here you need to put your username, your first name, maybe last name as well, your email address that you use and you have access to. Then you need to select what device you have a problem with. Select, for example, PlayStation. Then select type of category, and here it should be data privacy requests. And then here you need to select a right to be forgotten and right of access. And then you need to write something along these lines. Hey, my Roblox already telling me that my account is already connected to another account, but I can't remember that specific one. Can you help me with unlinking it? And you just need to write thanks. Then send it to Roblox support team, and they will guide you with a further information what exactly you need to do here to unlink that specific account, for example, PlayStation account from your Roblox account. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.